Hello everyone and welcome back to another tutorial. Today we're going to see how to make a pizza at home. Firstly, in a large mixing bowl, add warm water, sprinkle yeast on top and let it sit for 5 minutes until it dissolves and foams. If using instant yeast, skip this step and add it directly to the flour later. Add flour, salt, sugar and olive oil to the yeast mixture. Mix with a stand mixer using a paddle for 1 minute, then switch to a dough cook and knead for 7 to 10 minutes. If kneading by hand, mix the knead until smooth and slightly sticky. Now lightly oil a large bowl and place the dough inside, turning it to coat. Cover with plastic wrap for quick rinse, hours in a warm place. For best flavor, 24 hours in the fridge up to 24 hours. Cover with plastic wrap for quick rise. Add 1-2 hours in a warm place. Now place a pizza stone or baking tray in the shower third of your own oven. Preheat to 475 Fahrenheit for at least 30 minutes. Now punch down the dough and divide it into 2 balls. Place each ball in a bowl cover and rest it for 15 minutes. Now keep topping light to avoid soggy crust around. Sauce and cupped cheese. Add a few thinly sliced vegetables per pizza. On a floured surface, press and stretch one dough ball into a 10 to 12 inch circle. If resists, let it rest for 5 minutes and stretch again. Now brush the top lightly with olive oil and sprinkle cornmeal on a pizza peel or baking sheet. Now place the dough on the top of the reshape if needed and spread sauce, sprinkle cheese and add toppings. Now slide the pizza onto the hot stone or tray and bake for 10 to 15 minutes until the crust is golden and cheese is melted. Now slice with hot and serve immediately. Now repeat the second dough ball. And that's it guys, as simple as that. Thank you for watching and please don't forget to like and subscribe for more.